Take a ride in 2006 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, quad seating, traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.